Sheet metal in SolidWorks. How do you do it? Well, you've come to the right place. I'm going to show you. And we're going to make this part right here. And I believe it's some sort of, well, in the inside of your door, what catches the locking mechanism. So we're going to make this. So I don't have any measurements. I'm just going to wing it. You just start with a normal part, and then you want to draw the inside of your part. So you need to visualize your part um, wrapping around this thing. So I'm gonna first start off with a block. I'm gonna make it 50 by 50 millimeters and make it 50 millimeters. So now I've got like a cube. I've got a cube here. It's 50 by 50, and that's basically half of that. So what I'm going to do now is on the, well, you can select any side you want. I'm just going to select this side here, and then I'm going to add half of it. I'm just going to make a marker here so it will catch it. Okay, so then I'm going to make this 25, but this marker isn't even correct. Wait, let me start over. I made a mistake on my video. I'm not going to start again. Just going to continue. Let me make a marker. And I started this video like 5 times already. I don't know why. Okay, so I'm going to make that 25 millimeters. I'm going to trim this middle, and then I'm just going to extrude this. You can extrude it 10 kilometers if you want. It doesn't really matter because it's going to be the thing is going to be here, and it's going to go up, and it's going to go that way. So it doesn't really matter how deep this thing is. You'll see now. Okay, so we've got this. Now we need to make this. So what we're going to do here, oh, what am I doing? Go back to SolidWorks. Now I'm gonna select this face. I'm gonna select sketch, and let's get the middle here. Let's say it is 10 by 10, so we make 10 to there, and then 20 goes back there, 10. Then I'm gonna extrude it. Now this is important. I'm gonna extrude it to be one and a half millimeters. Okay. So now I've got my shape here. Okay. I know it doesn't look like this, but it's going to look like it now. So to convert it into sheet metal, you need this tab here that says sheet metal. If you don't have it, right click anywhere and just select it so it shows. Then what we're going to do is you select convert to sheet metal. Then it's going to ask you for your base. It just wants to know from where everything is coming from. So I'm going to select this face right here. Okay. Then, okay, it is supposed to be 1. Usually the default is 1. So this is the thickness of your sheet metal, and this is the radius of the bend. What I saw is there's like a whole calculation, but usually if your sheet metal is 2 millimeters, then this bend must be 2 millimeters. So now you've selected your face, and now it wants to know on which corners it's going to be bent. So we're going to bend it there, and we're going to bend it there. Okay. So now if you look closely, it's going on the outside. Going on the outside, you can say reverse thickness, and then it goes on the inside. But let's keep it on the outside. Okay, like that. and then you just say okay, and there's your part. I know it doesn't look like a part now, but then you can start manipulating this. So I only want, how big is this, like 10 mils. So you click there, click sketch. I'm gonna say construction line from there over there. I'm gonna say 10 millimeters. Boom. There. Then I'm just gonna do a feature. I'm gonna extrude, cut right there through it, just to take it away. So it's gone now. And what does this picture look like? It's got a big hole there in the middle. So let's put a hole there in the middle, and I want to get the middle, obviously. So I'm gonna say corner to corner to get the middle. So I just put my thing there. Let's say this hole is 15 millimeter radius. I'm gonna make a hole there. It's got like holes on the side as well. Let's make holes on the side. I want it to line up with the circle here. Okay, it's gonna go there. I don't know why I just didn't make this all the way through the other side. Okay, it's got some holes. How big is this holes? About like half the size. So we had 15 mils, we're gonna make it 5 and another 5. I'm just gonna make this a little bit smaller. Okay. Then is there anything else needs to be cut? Okay, there's like circles there. I'm just gonna wing it here. Just gonna, well, I don't have any measurements, so let me do uh, a quick mirror here. So you select your thingy, you say mirror, where you want to mirror it about this line, you say okay. And what else do we have? It looks like that's it. Now we're gonna say extrude cut, straight through, boom. It looks like cheese now. And I think it's got like 2 holes there in the bottom for screws. Obviously if you have measurements you can just put in your measurements and everything will be fine, but I'm just going off of what I'm seeing here. So I'm just gonna put a hole. Where's this hole? It's like in between this here, so somewhere around there. Let's say it's 3 mils. I'm gonna say mirror about this line. I'm gonna say extrude cut. Say okay. Now you can make it pretty. You can say fillet. You can click on your corners here. All the corners you want it to be filleted. Obviously it's going to be smaller. We're going to make it, let's say 5. How does 5 look like? What's this? It's like 1. But I'm going to make it 3. And I'm going to fillet this corners here as well. Just put a nice rounding on it. So there's my part. It's a sheet metal. So then now you've got your part and you can go, oh, flatten. Just flatten. I pressed the wrong button. It is flatten. If you say flatten, then it unfolds. So there's my part. You can now send this to your manufacturer and get it manufactured. If you unflatten it, it is the part again, and you flatten it, and then it's flat. Oh, so that's how you do sheet metal.